Okay, that other river was a complete bust. So I'm back at a river I know it's got agates in. I spent about an hour and a half at that other river, didn't find a thing. 10 minutes at this river, already found something. Have a look down here. Such a beautiful river this as well. The other one was polluted. It just smelled bad. It smelled like cows. I was really lucky in spotting this. I don't know if you can see it on screen here. But look over there. There's some goodness sticking out there. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a big one. Look at that. That's like hand-sized. And some good banding over there. Oh, there's an eye as well in the middle. What a cool find. I think I see something down here. I just saw this edge poking out. Yeah, that's just go give it a quick wash. That's what we call toffee stone over here, and it's quite a big piece. You can see this is the host rock on this side, and there's some of the host rock with some veins of this almost like jasper going through it. Yeah, I'd be keen to cut that through there. Then we can see what's going on inside there. Sometimes you get really good patterns. Other times it's just kind of like a basic jasper. Yeah, I'll take that back with me. I washed that other piece right over there. And as I was walking back, I think I saw another piece. I think it was. Maybe that piece over there. Could be. Yeah. It doesn't look amazing, but yeah, let's take it back and cut it and see what's going on inside. This is such a cool little part of the river. So you've got some water going through over there. Some awesome rocks to check out over here. Then behind this tree there's another branch of the river, so it's just rocks everywhere. And I found this little piece of better quality toffee stone. You can see how shiny it is. It's a beautiful little piece. That'll look nice and once it's been in the tumbler for a bit. But yeah, I'm just gonna take my time and walk all through here. There are some other footprints, but I mean, no one ever finds everything. Ooh, I see something interesting in the water over there. Let's go take a look. Yeah, that's looking promising. Look at that. Don't know if it's a complete nodule. There's definitely something going on there. Oh, it might only be a seam, like a seam agate or something. Yeah, it's got that really green host rock. There's definitely some kind of agate-y thing. Don't know how much is going to be in there though. I suspect if we just take a really shallow cut over there, we might find something. Or even just straight through the middle there. Yeah, what I'll do is I'll cut this one at the end of the video, so you don't have to wait another week or two in suspense. But yeah, I was hoping for a bit more, but yeah, that's still decent. Okay, the sun's starting to set, and out here in the hills, when the sun sets, it literally freezes, so it will go below 0 degrees Celsius. So it's definitely time to start walking home, because I'm about an hour from the car. And my feet are wet, and I'm in shorts. So yeah, let's start walking back. No wonder my feet are freezing. There's like still ice on the ground. Here's some of the host rock. You can see it's got tiny little agates poking out through all over here. Larger piece over there. And like a nice orange one over there. I'll take it back and let's just cut it down there. Just in case this one over here turns out to be something awesome. I mean, my backpack's light, it's worth the gamble. There's a little bit of agate in there. Not an awful lot. Look how straight that line is there. I assume that's a fracture. Yeah, there's definitely some agate in there, and even in the bottom. Little bits in there. Oh, I was hoping for a really big thunder egg type one, but there's at least something in there. Oh, that's a pretty cool one. Yeah, that's beautiful. You can see the fortification lines over there and there. Oh, if this was a complete nodule, I don't think it's a complete nodule, I think it's broken off there. But look how beautiful those circular bits are there. Oh, yeah, this is much nicer than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, that's really beautiful. Here's the other side. Just a thin section. Oh, there's something going on there. Yeah, that's turned out really well. Got some nice toffee stone over on that side. And those are like mineral sprays going on there. Yeah, that's beautiful. Very surprised and very happy with that. Didn't expect it to be this good. What's going on there? It looks like a bit of jasper, maybe. It's got some clear sections in there, but yeah, I'm not too sure what that is. I'm gonna guess some kind of jasper. Yeah, it's a strange one. You can see there's little pockets of what I think might be host rock. But yeah, I'm not sure what that is. Leave a comment if you recognize that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Some relatively large agates in there, or bits of chalcedony at least. There's some green ones over here. There's a really yellow one, very bright yellow. And then like a few reddish ones. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's more than I thought there would be inside there, and they're larger. And we've got a few green ones on that side too. I think in different parts of the world it's called different things, like a galaxy stone. But basically what we've got is we've got the rhyolite or andesite host rock, and then we've got the little bubbles that have been filled in with chalcedony. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that hunt in the river and then cutting the rocks afterwards, so at least you didn't have to wait another week to see what's inside those. I've been cutting a few of the rocks that have been in my backlog, including this nice waterline agate, so keep an eye out for those videos. They should be coming soon. Stay safe, I'll see you on the next hunt.